Welcome back to the Digital Guide, your go to channel for smart digital tools, side hustles, and everything online. If you've been looking for real remote jobs this year, this video is for you. We're counting down the top 7 websites to apply for remote jobs, from number 7 down to number 1. Let's begin your work from anywhere journey. But before we start, remember, look for verified employers, global listing, and clear filters for your skill set. Now, let's dive in. At number 7, Glassdoor. Glassdoor isn't just for reviews. It lists tons of remote jobs and gives you salary insights and company ratings. Perfect if you want to know what it's really like before you apply. At number 6, Remote OK. This site focuses on tech, design, and digital marketing rules. It shows salary ranges, job tags like worldwide or no experience, and it's updated daily. Number 5, Flex Jobs. Flex Jobs takes remote work seriously. Every job is hand screened to keep out scams. It offers flexible, part time, and full time roles in trusted companies. At number 4, Upwork. Upwork is the biggest freelance platform for remote workers. Start small, build your reviews, and grow your digital career one client at a time. Number 3, Remote.go. Remote.go is made only for remote jobs. No office listing here. You'll find rules in admin, writing, education, and virtual assistants. Number 2, Indeed. Indeed remains one of the easiest job sites to use. Just type your role and add the word remote in the location box. You'll get hundreds of verified global opportunities. And finally, number 1, LinkedIn Jobs. It's more than networking, it's a career builder. Set job alerts, connect with recruiters, and apply directly to remote openings worldwide. So, there you have it, the top 7 websites to apply for remote jobs. These platforms can open real doors for you. Remember, tailor your resume, build your profile, and never pay for job listing. Stay consistent and never stop learning. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can stay updated on all things related to remote work and digital careers. Thank you for watching. See you at the next one.